Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will share with you how you can cancel your PDF escape subscription. So if you want to cancel your subscription, follow me in this video. This first step, go to my account on the top right corner. When you go to your account, you will see desktop and recent and profile. All you have to do, go to this one, profile. On this profile section, you will see this page. On this page, you have the manage. As you can see here, I don't have a premium. If you have a premium, just click manage your method from this option. And as you can see here, from this option, you can cancel by clicking on this icon. When you go to membership here, click on disable. This is enable. Click on the disable option. You can check here, friends. Click on the disable option, and after click on disable, click save, and then you will cancel your membership successfully. You can also reach the contact information or cancellation policy. Go to the contact support from this option and then scroll down. You will see this page. From this page, you can cancel your subscription by clicking on the contact customer here. Click on disable, as I say. This is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. Just click disable here and then you will cancel it successfully without any